Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Serial A to Z. Today we are talking a trip back into one of the most beloved sitcom of all time, Friends. This collection of scenes is a perfectly example of why millions of fans continue to watch the show even year after its finally. What makes Friends so especially is not just the comedy, it's way the show blends humor, friendship, romance, and relatable life situation into moments that still feel fresh today. Let's jump right into some of the funniest from this incredible compilation. The first major highlight feature Phoebe Buffy, the queen of bizarre ideas. Phoebe comes up with what he believes is a very voluntary business concept called the relaxi taxi. According to Phoebe, people need transportation and they also need message, so why not combine the two? Her plan is simple. Frank will drive a van while Phoebe gives message in the back. It's completely impractical, probably unsafe, and absolutely hilarious. What makes this scene so funny is how seriously Phoebe takes the idea while everyone else can early see the flaws. Phoebe is convinced she has discovered the next big business opportunity. Moments like this perfectly represent her character. Phoebe lives in a world where almost everything seems possible, and somehow her confidence makes us want to believe her. Another memorable storyline revolves around Rachel and Phoebe. Rachel finally decided to go through with the tattoo despite feeling nervous. Phoebe, on the other hand, spent the entire time building up coverage but ultimately back out at the last second. The reveal is priceless. Rachel proudly shows off her tattoo while Phoebe admits that she could not handle the needle. Their conversation afterward is classic friends comedy. Rachel feels betrayed becomes the entire ideas what Phoebe suggestion in the first place. This scene perfectly captures the friendship between the two women that support each other, encourage each other, and occasionally drive each other crazy. The compilation then shifts into one of the most important themes in Friends history, Rachel and Ross. Throughout the series, their relationship constantly moves between friendship, romance, confusion, and missed opportunity. During a girls' night out, Rachel opens up about a recent moment she shared with Ross. It was not anything dramatic, it was not a kiss, there was not a confession of love. There was simply a meaningful moment of eye contact. In true friends fashion, something so small becomes a hug topic of discussion. Rachel clearly still has feelings for Ross, but neither of them seems willing to take the first step. Thus, uncertainty creates one of the most relatable situations in the show. Many viewers understand exactly what Rachel is experiencing. Sometimes the hardest relationships are not the ones that fail, they are the ones that never fully begin. Things become even more complicated when Rachel give her phone number to a handsome stranger at a bar. At first it seems harmless, but almost immediately she realizes what she done. If the guys called Rose might answer the phone, and if Rose answered the phone, it sends a message that Rachel may be moving on. This leads to one of the funniest panic-driven sequences in the episode. Rachel desperately tries to stop the situation before Ross finds out. Meanwhile, everyone around her becomes involved in a mission that should have been incredible simple but quickly spirals into chaos. This is one of the show's greatest strengths. Friends take everyday situations and turns them into unforgettable comedy. Another fantastic moment arrives when Rose begins dating ponies. At first, Rachel insists she is completely fine with it. She claims she moved on. She says she wants Rose to be happy. But the second she sees Bonnie look attractive and having a greatest time with Ross, her true feelings become obvious. Suddenly Rachel is jealous, very jealous, very jealous. The irony is that Rachel previously approved the relationship. The entire situation demonstrates how complicated emotion can be. Sometimes we think we are ready to move on until reality forces us to confront our true feelings. Jennifer Aniston does a fantastic job here. Her facial expression alone tells the entire story without saying much. Viewer can instantly understand exactly what Rachel is thinking. One of the funniest sections of the compilation centers around Ross and his famous concept of uneasy. Ross attempts to teach Rachel and Phoebe lessons about self-defense. However, instead of focusing on physical teaching is introduced the idea of uneasy. According to Ross, uneasy represents a state of completely awareness. The problem is that Rachel and Phoebe are far more interested in sushi than material arts philosophy. The misunderstanding leads to one hilarious exchange after another. Rose becomes increasingly frustrated while Rachel and Phoebe continue making jokes. Eventually, Rose starts abusing them in random places to prove his point. Instead of looking wise and powerful, he looks absolutely ridiculous. This storyline remains one of the funniest Rose-centered plots in the entire series. So, if it perfectly highlights his tendency to take himself far too seriously. Another unforgettable moment comes when Rachel and Phoebe discover Monica and Chandler's secret relationship. Monica and secret relationship. So Monica and it perfectly too seriously. Another forgettable moment comes when Rachel and Phoebe discover Monica and Chandler's secret relationship. This scene has become legendary among friends when Phoebe accidentally sees Monica and Chandler together through the window. The shock is immediate. The screaming is unforgettable, and her reaction has become one of the most cute moments in television comedy history. The entire sequence showcases the incredible chemistry between the cast. Every character reacts differently, creating layer after layer of comedy. Even after even after multiple rewatches, the scene remains just as funny as the first time. The emotional heart of compilation arrives with Rachel pregnancy storyline. At first, Rachel believes the pregnancy test result is negative, although she was not expecting to feel disappointed. She suddenly realizes how much the possibility of having a baby meant of to her. Then comes the twist. That test was not negative at all, it was positive. The emotional shift happens instantly. Fear turns into excitement, confusion turns into happiness, and Rachel finally embraces the reality that her life is about to change forever. This moment represents some of the strongest acting in the entire series. Jennifer Aniston beautifully captured every emotion Rachel experienced. It a remember that Friends was not just a comedy. At its best, it could also deliver genuinely moving moments. The compilation also includes several similar scenes that showcase the unique personalities of each character. Whether it's Joey confidence, Chandler scam, Monica's competitiveness, Phoebe authentic behavior, Rachel emotional honesty, or Ross awkward determination, every character contribution something special. That's one reason the show has remained popular for so many years. No matter which character is no screen, the audience is